What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another market trading day, the 9th of June. We're going to take a look this morning. So we're going to take a look on the left-hand side of the screen will be a Casper chart. On the right-hand side of the screen will be an XRP chart. Going to talk about a couple things, kind of interesting. Been seeing this play out here. We'll see how far it continues. And yeah, maybe take a look at Bitcoin, wrap this video up. It's Friday. Hope you guys had a great week heading into the weekend here. Although crypto does not stop trading, the stock market will be closed for the weekend and back at it on Sunday evening. So on the left-hand side, guys, we have the Casper daily chart. Casper is currently off the highs. So high to low was 37%. And then from where we're currently at, which is 441, we are, call it 30% or so, 31% off the highs. So I want to talk about a pretty similar pattern playing out here. And then we could be actually ready for a pretty good move to the upside for Casper. If we go off the XRP chart, that would probably take us roughly back up to the 571. So let's take a look at the the right-hand side of the screen, and we'll take a look at XRP. So XRP had this move up here to this high. We had a pullback, then we had the straight up move that found resistance at 55 cents. All right, so keep that in mind. Let's take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. We had a big move higher for Casper, pulled back up to resistance at the 628 level on our chart. So similar moves, maybe not the exact percentages, but hang in here with me and you'll see where I'm going with this. Also want to thank all of the subscribers. Thanks, guys. Thanks for hanging around, checking out the videos, and participating in the comments. Seems like we've had quite a bit more comments recently. So we have that high move, that resistance. We get a pullback here. We get a lower high to a lower low. We get another lower high, and the end of that move ended right here at support at 4680. Let's take a look at Casper. Casper gets the pullback, lower high, lower low. So we have on the Casper chart, we have the high, the pullback, lower high, lower low. On the XRP chart, we have the move down. We have one lower high, one lower low, two lower highs, two lower lows. And then the trend changed. So if it were to be an exact match for Casper, we would get another lower high, perhaps into this 466, and then we would get another lower low, probably down to the 365, 363 level. Now, that might not play out, but that is basically what XRP did. And then the trend changed. The trend changed for XRP. We went like this, lower high, pullback, higher low. All of the warning signs should be going off in your head that this could be a change in trend. And then we get that huge rally, which is, you'll see it all the time in the market. That next leg higher is a higher high. And it's usually pretty parabolic as people load up on the bearish side once again as the price breaks out, short covering, etc. Price moves higher. So what to expect? What is the takeaway here from this chart? Well, two scenarios. We could be in for a we could be setting up right now a higher low. So keep those warning signs, just like on the XRP chart, that when this thing pulls back, so we got this pullback, we have very nice support, move it higher, maybe we chop around a little bit. Somewhere in here could be a higher low, and then we get that move up, which could be similar to XRP, very, very strong to the upside. That is scenario number 1. Let's clear the charts here. What could be taking place now, perhaps not quite done yet, maybe we need a couple more days here, is we start to get a move higher into 466. That's the level I have on my chart. That's also the lower end of this old support. And then we get another rollover move down to 365 or so. And that would be the end of the move. Very basically identical to XRP. And then from there, get a rally probably back up to 415, maybe 435. We get a pullback, maybe 415. That's the higher low. And then we get a crazy rally back up into the 5s. That's basically what XRP did. That's also another scenario that could play out for Casper. So been watching this play out here. Wanted to share this on the channel. I know there's a lot of Casper holders out there, as well as some XRP holders. So we'll have to see. That is, if it was going to be identical, like I said, it's not quite done yet. There is and should be a lot of support down here at the 365, 363, 361 level for Casper. And basically, if we went back to the XRP chart, right in here is similar to where Casper is right now. So we got that move up, and then it got washed out again, another lower low into support, which was the upper end of this range right here. And that was the bottom for this move. And then we started to stair step to the upside, lower high, higher low, parabolic move to the upside, higher high, big breakout, and so on. So we might not be done with this move to the downside for Casper. But you want to keep an eye out if you're looking to, buy a breakout. It doesn't look like enough time has gone by. This chart's a mess. It doesn't look like enough time has gone by yet to print a higher low. We need some more trading here, but we could. So you want to be ready for that. Basically, you just don't want to undercut the low on the 6th of June, but it doesn't quite look like it's ready yet. It looks like it needs some more time to go by before this thing is ready to just start to move to the upside. So we could be in for, some choppy to sideways action, maybe higher, but I would keep an eye out for another lower low, probably down to the 360s, 365, give or take. And then that could be the bottom, and then we move higher. That's one scenario that could play out. That's making the new low, and then the other scenario would be basically printing a higher low at 435 and then rallying up back into the 520s. So that is something I wanted to share here on the channel. Let me know your thoughts on, try to clean this up for you guys, on Casper as well as XRP. Maybe we could use XRP as a roadmap for what could take place here for Casper. So watch this thing closely if you're looking to get into either a trade or add to a position at the area of, to lower your risk. There is very nice support at 415. So that might be the low. We might not get that undercut. We might not, we could be in printing the higher low right now at 435 support. And then the price, starts to move to the upside. But if things start to get red, then I would look for the low to be undercut on the 6th and heading down to the 360s or so. And more than likely, that will be the bottom. So we would have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the price would reverse 1, 2, 3, and so on to the upside. For those XRP holders, XRP looking good so far, taking a pause in this 50-cent range. It's unbelievable. It's hard to believe that XRP is still freaking under $1. Excuse my language, but who knows? If we get a rug pull here, that's unfortunate. Probably a great opportunity to load up on some more. But this thing looks ready. I talked about it in yesterday's video. It's at a make or break moment here, and we're probably going to see one of two things, okay? We're going to see an explosive move to the upside, getting us past this 55-cent resistance right into the, eye of targets at 63 cents to 68 cents, or they're going to pull the plug and drain this thing back down here into the 40-cent mark. So there is something big coming for XRP. As a long XRP holder, hey, I hope it goes up to the 60s, but be nice to see this thing back up over $1. Starting to get into those all-time highs, $2, $3, and $3.50 or so. So who knows? We'll see. We're sitting on some major resistance. It's been a resistance for multiple times here. 1, 2, 3. We're at the 4th or 5th time testing this 55 cent range. So could get a little bumpy for the Casper holders. Buckle up. Might see another lower low into that 365 range. We'll have to see what happens, guys. That's my thoughts. Just keep an eye on that XRP chart. And, that could be a decent roadmap for what's going on the Casper chart. Guys, thanks for hanging around. Hope you have a great Friday. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Go ahead and share this video with your friends over on Twitter, wherever you are part of a community. Appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.